Okay, let us see a program, a simple program. I'll write it for you. Write a program to calculate the sum and average of 10 students in a class or in a subject, and so I need to calculate sum and average of 10 students, and what I want is I want to display their marks and also how many marks they have either more than or less than the class average. మనం క్లాస్ యావరేజ్ ఏది తీసుకుంటున్నామో ఆ క్లాస్ యావరేజ్ కన్నా మోర్ దెన్ ఆర్ లెస్ దెన్ మార్క్స్ obtained in separate rows. In separate rows. I'll read it again. Write a program to calculate the sum and average of 10 students in a subject and display their marks and also how many marks they have either more than or less than the class average in separate rows. అదేం చేస్తానంటే we'll see with an example. Let us say if I have a marks m1, m2, m3, m4, m5 అనుకుంటే కనుక user has given m1 కి 70, m2 has given 80, m3 has given 90, m4 if he has given 40, and m5 if he has given 50. So if they have given the marks like this, I need to find out the sum. Sum is nothing but 70 plus 80 plus 90 plus 40 plus 50, which comes around 70 plus 80, 150, 150 plus 90, 240, 240 plus 40, 280, 280 plus 50, 330. And the class average is, because sum is 330 and 5 students, so what is the average? Average is 5 6 are 30 and 66. Now what I want is I want to display first m1 marks in 70 and second marks is 80, third is 90, 40 and 50, and now along with the marks I want to display how many marks, whether they're more than or less than. So if the class average 66, how many marks he got? More than 4 marks, and here 14 and here 24, and how many marks less? Less marks is 66, so 26 minus 26, and here minus 16. So I want the output like this. So ila output ravalante how to write the program. Let us see how to write the program. Okay, what we are supposed to declare? I need to declare 5 variables m1, m2, m3, m4 and m5. These are the integer values. I need to declare float, right? 2 variables float, sum and average. I'll initialize sum to 0. Okay, now what I am supposed to do, we need to calculate this class average, right? So how to calculate the class average? First I need to read the values from the user. Scanf, because only 5 variables, as we all know how to read the variables, values of the variables from the user by writing a scanf ampersand m1, ampersand m2, ampersand m3, ampersand m4, ampersand m5. These are the ways we will read the marks. And now I'll calculate the sum. Sum is equivalent to, what is sum? M1 plus M2 plus M3 plus M4 plus M5. And average is, what is average? Sum divided by 5. This is the average. Now I want to display the marks. Now I want to display the marks like this. First row it is 70, second row it is 80, third row is 90, fourth row is this, and fifth row is this. So how to display this? Display cheyalante we need to write a printf statement. Printf statement, how to write the printf statement? I'll write printf. What I'm supposed to do? First I need to display the marks, and I'll write it /t, and I need to display the other marks. What is this other marks? I need to display, first I need to display the marks of M1, and next is average minus M1. Class average minus M1 or M1 minus class average? M1 minus average. This is the first. So I need to go to the second line. I need to write /n. Next, I need to write the second marks. Printf %d /t %d /n M2 minus average. Similarly, printf %d /t %d /n M3 minus average. Similarly, printf %d /t %d /n M4 minus average. And last but not the least, I need to write printf %d /t %d /n M5 minus average. So if I execute this program, what it will show? First, after executing this statement, it displays the value of M1, which is nothing but, what is the value of M1? M1 is 70, so it displays 70, and M1 minus average. If the average is 66, what is the average? It will display 4, a tab space. And if I execute the second statement, what is the second value of M2? M2 is 80. Because M2 is 80, I will display 80. And how many marks? Because average is 66. 80 minus 66, I will display 14 after executing this statement. Next statement, third statement execute చేసినప్పుడు what is the value of M3? M3 is 90, so it displays the value of 90 and 90 minus average 66. It displays 24. After executing this statement, the value of M4 is 40, so it displays 40, and 40 minus 66, so minus 26. Similarly, at the end, it displays 50 and minus 16. This is how we can write the program.